Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about top current affairs and news which will be useful for those who are preparing for competitive entrance and other examinations. So let's start. It's Times of India newspaper of 11th day of December 2021. Let's discuss about first major headline of the day's newspaper. Tears brave and smiles as family bid final farewell. India's first ever Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat and his wife Madhulika Rawat's funeral done with all honours at Brar Square, New Delhi yesterday. Chief of Defence Staff CDS General Bipin Rawat, who was among the 13 people who died in a helicopter crash in Kannur, Tamil Nadu on Wednesday, was cremated with full military honours in Delhi. The funeral of his wife Madhulika Rawat also took place at the same place on Friday. Their daughters Kritika and Tirni formed the last rites. Bundi Rajputs choose Brigadier as their king. The Rajasthan's Heda Rajput community from the region Bundi have selected their 26th king. Decorated soldier and mountaineer Brigadier Bhube Singh had to become the community's titular head after Ranjit Singh, the son and successor of their last king, Colonel Maharao Raja Bahadur Singh, who died childless in 2010. Brigadier Bhube Singh was decorated with the Shaurya Chakra for anti-terrorist operation 1999 and the Vishisht Seva Medal for commendable work in Siachen Glacier area in 2019. He will be crowned on Sunday at a temple in Bundi, a former princely state that merged with India in 1948. So now let's discuss about Times of Nation. The news regarding to our nation. Let's read this headline. Social media cryptocurrencies must empower democracy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said that emerging technologies such as cryptocurrencies should be used to empower democracy, undermine it. Speaking at the virtual summit for democracy event hosted by US President Joe Biden, PM further said we must also jointly shape global norms for emerging technologies like social media and cryptocurrencies. SCO Cyber Meet seeks to fight terror. New Delhi. India assumed the chair. India's SCO Cyber Security Seminar focused on the changing nature online crime and criminal behavior in order to understand trends, issues, responses and ethical questions mainly associated with the terrorists using technology. Membership of Council of Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure of SCO RATS SCO from October 28, 2021 for a period of 1 year. SCO Cyber Meet seeks to fight terror. New Delhi. India's SCO Cyber Security Seminar saw participation by Pakistan and all other member states looked to enhance the capabilities of respective law enforcement agencies in securing cyberspace from the terrorism, separatism and extremism, said the government in a statement. Supreme Court not just crime look at criminals' mental state too. Death sentence of first-time offender cut to life term. New Delhi. Holding that the court should not take into consideration only the crime but also the criminal, his state of mind and his socio-economic conditions while awarding the sentence. The Supreme Court has commuted the death sentence of a first-time offender who killed his two siblings and a nephew over a property dispute. The trial court as well as the High Court has only taken into consideration the crime but have not taken into consideration the criminal, his state of mind, his socio-economic background, etc. It said, referring to the judgment of the trial court and High Court, the court said it does not appear that the court below have drawn a balance sheet of mitigating and aggravating circumstances. ISRO seals Oppo deal for Navik messaging service. New Delhi. Indian Space Research Organization has signed an agreement with the Indian arm of Chinese smart device manufacturer Oppo to work towards providing Navik message service in mobile platform, reports Surendra Singh. ISRO's navigation with Indian consultation Navik also provides a messaging service that is being used for broadcasting safety alerts in areas with poor or no communication, particularly in oceans. The move will facilitate the exchange of technical information of the Navik messaging service to build a rapid end-to-end application-specific solution, the statement said. Times of business. Google puts off Play Store policy by 6 months to October. 6 months to October. Bengaluru. Google said it is going to provide developers in India the required product support for recurring payments through convenient user payment system including UPI and e-wallets, and also provide them more time in light of the changes to India's recurring digital payment guidelines. Google puts off Play Store policy by 6 months to October. Google further deferred the deadline of developers in India to integrate with the Google Play's billing system. Google initially said it would charge a 30% commission of this transaction, but following protest, it reduced the commission to 50% for the first $1 million of revenue that the developer earns each year. So that's for today. I hope this small Indian Express newspaper analyzing video has been very much informative to all of you. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with all your friends. So it's the time to wind up this video. See you all in the next video.